Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello all friends, sisters and brothers. Hope you are okay. Today I'm going to make it basil chutney. Most of the time I buy basil from the local supermarket, but it's not long last more than 2 days, 3 days maximum, sometimes 4 days. So this time I bought the seeds from the local supermarket and I grow my own basil in my home, which is very easy. And I just put the seeds inside and give them water every day. And after nearly, I think, roughly 8 to 10 weeks, you can see how bigger they are, beautiful flowers. And the good thing is, whenever I need, I can take out myself fresh for my ingredients. And so I would recommend to you guys, if you like basil, so grow up yourself in your home. Just keep it in your kitchen window. So just give them water every day, so they will be green, just all like this. So today we are going to make it basil chutney. So let's see what we need for basil chutney. So I'll be take fresh leaves from here. Here we go, guys. I washed the old basil leaves who I just took off from the plant. So let's begin to make our basil chutney or basil sauce. So first I'll be taking my grinder. Here we go. I'm using this one big chili here. This is, it's not very hot chili, this one. It's just like, it's a big chili, just give you the chili taste, which is very good. And I'm adding is 2 spring onion inside. Going to add this small green chili, which is very hot. It's up to you. If you don't eat chili, you don't add them. But this big chili I ate before it's not really hot at all. But this is, they are really hot chili. Here I'm going to add 3 garlic cloves and a little bit here the ginger. I'll be add inside them half lemon, half red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, salt to taste, olive oil, hardly 1 teaspoon. I did it a little bit of water inside because it will be easier to be grain. Okay guys, ready? Let's open it now and then let's see what it is. Looks super tasty to me and the smell is very good. And this sauce you can use with them anything, with your bread, with your chicken nuggets, with them anything, you whatever you like it. Like some people use ketchup, mayonnaise or any other sauce they buy from the market, but this is healthy. You knows what did you put inside, and also you knows that how it's made up, and and it will be long last for you in the fridge. Minimum 2 weeks will be fine. So as you can see that how mixture is it, and here we go. See, leave the comments guys and let me know. Take care of yourself, and inshallah we will see you again with another recipe. So तब तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए. Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself. Bye.